So if you wanted to generate a price list directly here into Canva, I'm going to be showing you with different formats and bulk create tool to upload all your prices into seconds. So to make this process really fast is to start. The most easiest way is to start with an actual template. So let's say, for example, I have an actual website, and directly inside here what I'll be looking for price list. So basically here into my price list we have the filters. So what I want to be doing here is just to select the price list, and we can see that we already have this. Now to make this process a little bit much more interesting is that if I choose an actual sheet file, let's say here I go for price list, and I have like this price list of this specific product. I go for add this as a new page, and we do have now this specific price list. This is an actual template to make this process a little bit much more faster. Now if you want, or let's say you have more than 10 items, you can use multiple page layout. Let's say, for example, that I select 3 of them, and I can see that we have the actual summary directly into this in here, this actual element. Now if I wanted to make some changes, in this case this is an actual template, I do have the element that says here the magic charts. The magic charts can be helping me to check out more information about what I'm actually selecting. For example, here from D4 to G8 I have all of this stuff that I can generate just like that, or even I have import my data, generate an actual table, fill empty, or even check out the actual content stuff. So in my case what I want to be doing here is to make sure that I have selected the multi-page template. So to apply this directly into my actual brand, you want to hit directly from the styles tab and click through your brand kit. Now the brand kit, it's only available for Canva Pro versions, so you want to check that out. You have the link down below in the description to check out all the actual graphics. But basically here is how we can actually get started. Now what I'm going to be doing here is to check out directly from the bulk element directly through the applications. Now for the bulk create, basically the bulk create can be having hundreds of designs from an actual single template free for 30 days. So what you need to do is just to select the element here into the bulk stuff, and it's going to be helping you to make these designs from an actual single template and with the actual information that you currently have directly through the speed of the actual hack. Now if you don't have that stuff, what you can do is to try to tell the artificial intelligence to make the actual price list. Like this, I select this item code, I go for the quick actions, and here let's go for magic write, create a price list of this products. And here the AI will be helping me to make the actual price list just like that. So you can make more like this, or let's say yes but, so you can go for but, and you can, let's say for example, add different elements, change the currency, you can change the actual size of it, you can even add images, whatever. So basically the AI will be helping us to make this kind of elements in process directly with some interactive elements. So your price list shouldn't just live into an email. You can use the mic switch to turn into a flyer, even into an Instagram story that you can find directly into the element that says resized, transform into document, translate, or actual resize. There's a lot of stuff that are only available for the Canva Pro elements, but this is like a really easily way of how you can focus for Canva, the free version. Right, so if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below, guys. If you're printing, you can use the PDF file which is into the show download. You can go for file type, PDF standard, or PDF print, which is best for printing. So you can let us know in the comments below what you think about this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you all next time.